Set menus allow you to offer any combination of products for a set price. This can be used for things like a daily menu, where you want to offer a choice of main dishes and a drink for a fixed amount. In this example, we will go ahead and create a daily menu for a restaurant. We will write the name of the menu, its price, and select whether we want it to show on our POS as a product, or if we would rather keep it hidden and activate it at a later date. Next, we will select our first course. In this case, a selection of mains that we want to offer on our set menu. We give the course a name and select a couple of our existing products by writing their name in this box and letting the system search for them in our product list. Our second course will be the drinks selection for this menu. Same as before, we give it a title and search for a few drinks to be combined with the mains. This set menu that we created will let you combine any of the two mains with any of the two drinks, all for the same fixed price. And we can show it or hide it in our POS by using this button. As always, remember to save your changes by using the Save button. All of the set menus can be edited, deleted, or rearranged, which changes the order they appear in your POS.